it's Kern. Got a little project here. What I'm gonna do, it's a tire repair kit. So I got a screw in one of my tires and I wanted to take you guys through the process to, I guess, take that out and repair the tire. Thanks. Okay, so I have the car set up. And I'll take you around. So here's the tire, and here is the screw. That seems to be the culprit. So I've never done this before, but this is the unboxing of the tire repair kit. So these are the strips that you put in. Here's the tire insert tool. The handle spiral probe tool, that's what you use to put those into the tire. Then you turn this while you're pulling it out. And what is this? Oh, one-piece sealing lubricant. So, sorry about that. Yep, so this is the sealing lubricant I'm going to be using, so should be pretty interesting. So here's the culprit I'm going to take out. Then I'm going to use this and insert on an angle, the insert tool, and then I'm going to put those strips inside of here, which is the handle spiral probe tool. Then I'm going to dip that into the oil, and then I'm going to put that lubricant, and then I'm going to put that all into here. So here we go. Okay, so there it is. It is in. I'm gonna cut these to the exposed, cut these to the same length of the tread, is what it asks for. And then air up the tire again, and then put it back on. So that seems to be all we do. So I cut it down a little bit more, and here's the soapy solution. It asks me to actually put the soapy solution on to make sure there's no air coming out of it. Yeah, I'm not seeing anything. So it seems to be good. Soapy solution, see if any bubbles are coming. No. So now we go. Overall, this is the tire repair kit that I got from Amazon. And I would give this, actually, at this point, probably a 5 out of 5. It was relatively easy. I'm probably going to keep this left in the vehicle just in case, as I always have a pump in the vehicle as well. So just to be prepared, don't want to be disturbed on a road trip. So I think this is great just to have be available. It's good for hand carts, wheelbarrows as well, but obviously vehicles probably get the majority of the punctured tires. But I think it's great. It was, I think, $40 Canadian. I highly recommend at least having one of these. You can't go wrong in an emergency. Okay, so this is my setup. Always have the inflator. Gonna have the tire repair kit. Have my charging cables all in here for the Tesla, and on the back side I have all the stuff to take off a tire. And that's gonna be my travel kit. That obviously I have an emergency health kit as well, but that's gonna be my travel kit for the Tesla. For all the road trips going forward as well. So basically this is the newest edition. It was a lot easier than I expected. I personally changed my own winter tires back to summer tires, rotate them as well. But that's going to be my travel kit. Feel free to like, subscribe, anything that you guys would like to say is in your travel kits. That would be a good point of discussion as well. Thank you for tuning in. I'm looking forward to more of these videos.